What is up, guys? Today we're making this gluten-free, dairy-free bacon artichoke pasta, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by dicing up our shallot and then dicing up our zucchini and then cutting up our bacon into slits. And you're going to cook the bacon just until it's like super crispy over on the side. And then we're also going to cook our zucchini on medium-high heat for 5 minutes on its own, and then take it out of the pot. Then we're going to melt our butter and add our shallots and let those saute for 2 minutes on their own. After that, we're going to add in our cream cheese, our broth, and then our stone mustard. And you're just going to mix all of that up until it gets to a smooth consistency. And again, we're just keeping this on medium-high heat the entire time. Then we're going to add our dry seasonings into that and just mix that up super well, and then add our artichokes. So I just like to get grilled artichokes in the can already and drain them, and that's just me. And then I add my spinach and break up the artichokes while I mix it all together. Once the spinach is like started wilting about 2 minutes, we're going to add our zucchini back there until the zucchini or the spinach is fully wilted, and then we're going to add in our pasta. I use cauliflower pasta, and you just boil it on the stovetop. After that, we're just going to add our bacon and our red pepper flakes. All right, y'all, bon appetit. Again, fucking delicious.